You're considering bringing a medical malpractice lawsuit here in the state of New York, and you want to know, can you price shop? I know you're a great price shopper, but you want to know, hey, can I price shop different attorneys? Will one attorney give me a different price schedule compared to the other? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is no. Every attorney in New York is going to tell you that the fee structure in a medical malpractice case is exactly the same. It's the same whether you come to me, it's the same whether you go to another attorney. Anywhere in New York, the lawyer's fee is identical. So what is that lawyer's fee? Well, I will tell you that it is not a third. In fact, a third is only applicable in cases involving accident cases, negligence cases. However, in a medical malpractice case, the lawyer's fee already is lower and less than the 1/3 that you hear about in these accident cases. Now, there's a whole specific reason for that that goes back to before 1985. And ultimately, in 1985, the New York State Legislature decided, hey, you know what? Because of all the doctors lobbying in trying to reduce medical malpractice premiums, insurance coverage, they said, you know what? We also want to cut the attorney's fees in these types of cases. And that's exactly what they did. It basically is a sliding scale, which means that the more money we're able to recover for you, the more money you get to keep. So that is the same no matter which attorney you go to. Now, I will share one thing with you. If the attorney goes above and beyond anything that normal attorneys would do and has achieved an extraordinarily successful result for you, the attorney will likely have the ability to petition the court and ask the court and say, Judge, we went way beyond what anybody else in the state did on this type of case, and we got such a wildly successful result, and now we are asking you to award us 1/3 attorney's fee as opposed to the normal sliding scale that's applicable in medical malpractice cases for every attorney in New York. In very, very limited instances, and in only a select type of case, will the court even consider that type of application. And in very rare instances, will the court actually go ahead and approve that. But for the majority of cases, you will find that the attorney's fee in these medical malpractice cases are all the same. You won't be able to price shop because every attorney has the same fee. So why do I share this great information with you? I share with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into how these types of cases work. You know, I realize you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.